Hi, my name is Kimberly. I am a registered dental assistant with Diamond Braces, and I'm going to be showing you today what to do in case a wire is long or poking you in the back. You can do one of two things. First, you can take a piece of wax, roll it in between your fingers so it's warmer and softer, locate the area that the wire feels long or poking, and just push the wax right on top of it. The wax will work as a shield and protect your lips and your cheeks from getting scratched. An alternative to that would be clipping the wire yourself. This can be done at home with either a simple nail clipper or a cuticle cutter that you can purchase in any drugstore or pharmacy. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to, again, locate the wire. You're going to go all the way up against the brace, holding the wire in between the clipper, and just squeeze to cut it, okay, with either the nail clipper or with a cuticle cutter. Just go right all the way up against the bracket, squeeze, and that wire is gone. After you cut the wire, if you want, you can still cover the area with wax so that you're comfortable until you adjust. Otherwise, there's no need to do anything. You should be comfortable now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.